How's that seaweed going for you?
Really good.
I don't care. I was feeling awkward.
Don't hate on my seaweed.
Of course not. Everyone eats seaweed on a train. No big deal. Where'd you get those chopsticks from?
Ariana's foot. These like fancy ass chopsticks.
Nasty chopsticks?
Fancy.
Oh. Yeah, they came from my shoe. I don't want this shit.
No, I don't. I didn't even touch my nose.
I can touch my nose.
This is a wide tongue.
Steven, you hear that? Wide tongue.
It is, look. Wide as thing.
Stick out your tongue for us.
You want it with seaweed on it?
Of course. You have a fat fucking tongue.
You're hating on my tongue and my seaweed.
Okay, I think I'm done with the video. Say bye, Nikki.
Bye.